As you define prerequisites for a given course in Populi, you can require a student have one or more courses on their transcript in order to enroll. However, these lists of courses can work in two different ways. Let's say that you have prereqs for English 201. A student has to take English 101 and English 110. Both courses are required, so this requirement is English 101 and English 110. But we can also do either or prereqs. You would use this if you have a prereq for English 301 that requires students to take either English 201 or English 202. Both and or prereqs are controlled on the course catalog entry for a course. You can get there by searching for that entry using the search field, or by going to Academics and then Course Catalog and clicking into the course. To add and prereqs, all of which the student needs to have taken in order to enroll in this course, click into the Courses field and search for the first course. Then search for any additional prereqs and add them. Or prereqs work a little differently. You'll see this field for course groups. That's where you would add a course group containing the courses that a student could take to satisfy requirements. Obviously, if you haven't already created the group you'd like to add, it won't be there. We'll back out and create that course group. Go to Academics, then Course Groups, click Add Course Group, and add the necessary courses. Then go back to Academics, and then Course Catalog, and into the Course Catalog entry. Then you can select your new course group. In our example, we're requiring one course out of 2, but you could obviously set this to require 3 out of 5, and so on. So, you can set requirements that work as AND type requirements, meaning a student is required to have completed all listed courses, as well as OR type requirements, meaning a student must have completed one or more courses out of a larger group. For help or for more information about using Populi, click the help link in the top right, or visit our knowledge base at support.populiweb.com.